Good morning, and today is 24th Jan. It's a Friday also, and I usually expect something big happening on Fridays. So we have just seen the currency opening here. So it's a gap up for USD INR 62.17, and rest of the currencies also. So 85.01 for Euro. GBP it is 103.34, and the yen is at 60.09. So this is the status of the currencies. So I think the market should open gap down, and as far as SGX Nifty is concerned, I think it's minus 40 points or something. Okay, it's minus 42. So I just wanted to explain something about the option tree, FuturesTree. This is FuturesTree, and we have another product which is called as option tree, where we trade on intraday options. So FuturesTree is very simple to use and very simple to trade on. You don't need much of big technical analysis to trade here. It's purely intraday. You'll have to start every day in the morning at around 9:15 and close all your trades by 3 o'clock. So what is that we have here? We have a login ID. So every person who is subscribing to this application will get a login and password. The historical data is nothing but the data, the previous day's data. So once you click on the historical data, you will just take the previous day data, and then it will compute certain equations. The current day data is nothing but the present day data, which we'll be getting at 9:15. So usually at 9:15 we'll get the rates for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and for rest of the scripts we will be getting the entry prices on both the sides at 9:20 and 9:30. And auto refresh button is you just click so that the software refreshes automatically on the prices. So it happens every 3 seconds, so we get the right prices at the right time. And here what we see is the entry, target 1, target 2, intermediate target, target 4, target 5, final target, and target 7, and expanding targets. These are the various targets that is possible for each and every script and on each and every trade, either on the buy side or the sell side. Here you have the script name, and quite next to it we have the CMP, that is the current market price of that particular script. The stop loss is for the entry. Now in case let's say it's 6273 you want to enter, your stop loss will be 6262, and further as the trade progresses, either it reaches target 1 or target 2 or intermediate target, you keep changing your stop loss to entry, target 1, target 2, likewise. And this right green symbol means that that particular script is ready to trade. And 50 is a number here. I'll just come back to that. And likewise, the green symbol, we do have an into symbol, X symbol, with vertical lines, vertical red lines. It means that that script is not ready to trade yet. So we'll have to take the current day data at around 9:20 or 9:30. Then that particular script also will change clear like this without any background, and then you can start trading on that. Now we have the day, time, and investment. Now let's say this again purely depends on your sub-broker who's giving you the exposure and your investment that you have for trading on futures. And the prices whatever you are seeing here are all cash market prices. So that is very important for you to remember that. Now what I do is, see my sub-broker, he gives me an very good exposure. So for roughly any script, on an average, 10 to 15,000 is what he charges for intraday trades, and that is for one contract. So now let's say with 3 lakh investment, I can trade around 20 scripts. So you can see that everything is getting zero. The reason why it's getting zero here is we have calculated the margins on par with the NSE, the NSE intraday margins required. So it will give you this in case if your sub-broker is helping you out and giving a good exposure, then you can have it as the idea is you will get more number of lots to trade. Here the brokerage is nothing but 0.04%, so that is inclusive of the brokerage. So now we have these percentages. These percentages are the profit percentages. In case and script starts from entry and reaches expanding targets, it will make around 10.9% or 11% on that particular day on an intraday basis. And usually that will vary, and again it depends on your sub-broker. So we have various industrial domains. First we have the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. We have the banking. In the banking we have SBI, HDFC, ICICI, Access and Yes Bank. And now we have the IT pack. The IT pack has TCS, Enfi, Wipro. And we have automobile, that is Tata Motors, Maruti, Bajaj, Hero. We have Infra, L&T, Rail Infra. And we have real estate like DLF, JP. And we have pharma in Ranbaxy and Cipla. And FMCG consists of ITC, McDowell's, HUL. We have telecom, RCOM, BHARTI, Bharti, and the oil and the gas, Reliance, ONGC, Kane. And we have the metal sector, that is Tata Steel and Hindal. So these are the various scripts that we have. We have around 30 scripts. And it's not necessary that we'll get all the 30 scripts signals at the same time. So a very simple reason is 9:15 you'll get the rates for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and you have another 5 minutes where you'll get the rates for other scripts, and for some it will be at 9:30. So let's say in case if you have an investment of around 2 or 3 lakhs, you can easily trade on most of the scripts that you have here, and it's not necessary that you'll get trade in each and every script on each and every day, because on certain scripts will be very highly volatile on the previous day, so they might not be giving any trades today. So like what happened in case of L&T yesterday, Ranbaxy, L&T and Kane India, all the three started their entry rates at the final target, meaning it was a huge gap up. So once a trade is already reached the final target, we won't be trading on that. So if a trade starts at the entry point, then it's a very good trade. We can pick the trades, or at target 1 or target 2. It depends on the risk taking capability of the trader. Now about the exit. The first exit, if you feel that a particular trade is not that strong, you can exit at the intermediate targets. Roughly at the intermediate targets, it will be around 3 to 5% returns. Now the next target will be target 4. You can keep on trailing the stop loss, and you can think of final targets. So usually what happens on FuturesTree is roughly around 3 or 4 scripts every day does their final targets, or one or two even might make their expanding targets within no time. So that is one advantage of trading in FuturesTree. So we don't have any kind of very big technical analysis stuff here. Everything is done in the background. So what you have to do is, as soon as you see red or you see green, you buy an futures contract in the market price at that point of time. Now let's say Nifty starts at 6273.4. As it reaches that, you'll buy an contract in Nifty futures at the market price. Or alternatively, in case Nifty comes to 6251, you'll sell a Nifty contract at the market price in the current month. So this is how we trade in futures trade. It's very simple, and as far as we have seen, you can approximately think of something like 10 to 15% returns every day. So it's 915, and the other important thing is you should be doing it every day. And it will suit people who trade regularly, everyday basis till 3 o'clock. Then it's you can accumulate some amount of real good money here. So we'll be taking the current day data at 19. So let's see this. So it's 19. I'm clicking the current day data. I didn't sign in. So that was the problem why I got the error. So now I will click on the historical data. And I'll click on the current day data. I'll do the same thing for my options also. So you can see and buy call already generated for Nifty, Bank Nifty, both. So you can see